Welcome back, everybody. Fresh off my antelope hunt, I have some breakfast sausage, and I want to show you how to make a breakfast toaster sandwich. Right brand bacon. For me, it's always the Hickory. By the way, has anybody else noticed how the price of bacon has gone through the roof? Blackstone 36-inch griddle, medium low. Leave me a comment down below for bacon. I haven't used pre-made hash browns in years. You know me, I'm the potatoes O'Brien guy. But I found these at Walmart, and it reminded me that I used to use these at demos way back in the day. My idea is to use the Blackstone egg rings. The egg rings are non-stick, but I always like to spray mine with some non-stick spray. This is my idea. I'm thinking that I can use the egg rings to make a perfectly round, perfectly shaped disc of hash browns. Try to press those down. A little extra olive oil might help, and we'll hit that up with a little Blackstone SPG. We'll see what happens. I like to flip my bacon early and often, keep it on low heat, give it a flip. And I keep flipping that bacon every couple minutes. Want to make sure it stays flat. You saw me making summer sausage in the pellet grill. Made this off camera. Every year you see me using wild game sausage. I used a new seasoning blend this year. 75% organic Colorado pronghorn. And of course, 25% pork shoulder to hold it together and make that sausage. Gonna make myself some patties. We're using Texas toast today. So these are gonna be a burger-sized sandwich. Let's check on that bacon. Looking good. Probably gonna give this one last flip. Bacon is maybe 70%, 80% done. I like to cook on a griddle with multiple burners. I have a 36 today, so I'm gonna turn these 2 burners off altogether. Gonna put these pieces of bacon, which are 3/4 done, over here in the corner, and then I'll put my bacon press on top of them, and they should crisp up really nice. I don't know how my experimental hash brown trick is gonna work. Let's lift the egg rings, put a little extra oil over here, and we're gonna go for broke. We go under, give them a flip. Not perfect, but not bad. Season that second side as well. Down with the sausage. If you need oil, go ahead and put some oil down. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna be okay since I have all the bacon grease on here and oil from the hash browns. I don't have to season the sausage because I have a blend in there called Loaded Liberty, and it's seasoned to perfection. And I have to show you this. My coworkers, my friends, Halston and Matt back at the office, made this sweet number, limited edition. They made like 10 or 15 of these. People at the office have them. I had nothing to do with it. Of course, I was the inspiration. So let me know in the comments down below, and let Blackstone know if you want them to do a limited run of these. Back to the bacon. Remember, we have it in one big pile. Yeah, look at that. See, absolutely perfect. I have those burners off, and we're gonna have beautiful bacon. Gonna get my bread ready for later. You have to use Texas toast when you're making a breakfast toaster sandwich. A little bit of butter. Let's go in there for a sausage patty flip. Woohoo! Look at those. Beautiful. Take a peek at that bacon. As you can see, looking absolutely beautiful. Everything's looking good. Remember, this side here is off, but it's still smoking hot. So we're gonna put my egg rings down, get some eggs ready. Little SPG on top of the eggs. Down with that Texas toast. Gonna go down with 2 types of cheese. First, we have a Colby-pepper jack, and then a Havarti. I love the Havarti. Let me know down below if you like Havarti. Let's check the bacon out. Bacon is typically either too short or too long. Drives me nuts. So I'm gonna cut a little bit off the end of this. Let's check out the bread. Woohoo! Ah, it's warm. Thinking we need a little bit of mayo on the bottom here. Down with that little hash brown patty. Whew. And the crown on top. I guess it's not really a crown, it's just another piece of Texas toast. Take a look at that. It's a breakfast toaster sandwich. I might call it an all-American breakfast toaster sandwich. The part you don't see is me having a nervous breakdown trying to get these beauty shots for you. Oh my goodness. Love to make these a couple times a year. They're so much fun. Texas toast is the key. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a try. So delicious. Mayo, one of the keys on the bottom. Big sandwich, right? Most of us aren't gonna eat something like this once a day. It's a rare thing, but there's a lot of food on there, especially with that hash brown, so you need something to moisten it up. The mayo, and it's nice to have that soft, runny egg as well. If you want to add ketchup, do it. Go ahead. Haters down below, comment about your disdain for ketchup. I love ketchup. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them. So many exciting videos, so many exciting things coming up soon. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the breakfast toaster sandwich, the all-American breakfast toaster sandwich, the delicious breakfast toaster sandwich.